The Herbal Chef experience is really about destigmatizing plant medicines using modern cuisine. Having the best equipment really helps me bring that vision to life. The equipment allows us to be really consistent and efficient with everything that we're doing. For instance, in this Branzino dish 2 ways, I take the filet that I'm not using and scrape the meat off of that, and then scrape the meat off of all the bones and process it with egg, cream, and spices. I then make that into a roulade and put it into the ear knocks using the low temp cooking function. After it's done cooking, the program automatically chills it as well. Then I wrap it in the Swiss chard, and then it's ready to plate. I roast the bones in the Rational iCombi Pro on the fish pan fry function till it gets perfectly caramelized. Then I take the fennel, leek, garlic, ginger, and then I start my base for the fumet by sweating it, and then add in my white wine and water, and then the roasted bones, and let that come to the perfect temperature using the probe on the Control Freak with the exact amount of time that I want to set, and then that warns me when it's ready to go. So I blend it, strain it, and get it ready for plating. So I take the filet, put it into the Henkelman, and use a marinade function, which helps me marinate it 10 times quicker than any other method, and I use just enough of the marinade to where it gets soaked into the filet. I put the zucchini and squash on the fish, and then I pop it into the Rational iCombi Pro on the steam function at 100% humidity. Take it out 5 minutes later where everything is perfectly cooked. I take herbs and microgreens and compress them using ice water and the Henkelman compress function. That allows me to get crispy microgreens that last for hours. Being able to use really high quality equipment is essential to my business, and it's really the one thing that allows me to expand in a way that I feel comfortable, because especially if you don't have a lot of help or if you don't have a lot of skilled help, you need to make sure that you are still putting out consistently great product. And how we do this is by using the very best in kitchen equipment.